Alright, one of my viewers requested to see the light show from the front of the Cybertruck. I don't have my mirrors on anymore. Also, the charge port and mirrors and windows and stuff. I'm gonna, maybe I'll leave that on, but it's raining right now, so we'll see. I'm gonna be recording this in the rain, and it's also really late. It's almost 3 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna actually have the volume pretty low. Hopefully it will still be audible, but let's go ahead and start it. Alright, so it says exit vehicle to start the light show. Let's see, hopefully it'll be loud enough. If not, I'm gonna have to, oops, increase the volume. Sorry. Oh, jeez. I forgot the plunger. If you close it too quick, hopefully I didn't damage anything there. Oh, see, if you do it too quick, you can damage that. That's, I don't know. There we go. Got a little scrape there now. Okay, let's see it start. Is it starting? I hope. I don't know. Let's see. Or did I open and close the door too many times and it killed it? I think. Okay, let's start it up again. Sorry about that. I'm gonna turn off the flash and we'll go back to the toy box. We'll go into the light show, schedule, arrival. Let's lower the volume again. Maybe there, and confirm. And we'll close it, and this time, hopefully it will start. Okay, enjoy the light show. The windows are opening. I'm gonna get rain all in my car. They wanted to see the front. Is it doing anything? Oh, okay, here we go. So, you can't hear the audio, but if you've already seen the arrival thing, then you know what the audio sounds like. And I guess this works better because if I play the audio, actually Tesla will copyright strike it, so you can just see what the lights do. Okay, so there you go. You can see all the flashing. It looks cool with the rain, actually. So yeah, if you want the audio, you'll have to play another video at the same time that's playing the audio. But this is what the front looks like. I hope it's not going to open the bed of the truck because there's a lot of stuff in there and I don't want rain going in that. Okay, you can see the front is opening. Oh, even the inside bed light is flashing. That's cool. Look at that. I think that's almost done. Whoa, that's cool. Everything in my car is going to be wet. At least it's not super heavy rain. I think that's it. Alright, I'll see you guys later. If you want to see it from the side or the rear or something else, let me know. But I think that's it. All the windows just shut. Alright, see you guys later. Oh yeah, and here you can hear the noise of the rain. The rain on the tonneau cover. ASMR. Alright, see you guys later.